Hello Wranglers, today we will discuss about dot plots. So a dot plot is a visual display of data value where each value is shown as a dot. Or sometimes you can see it can be a mark like an X or something. A dot is also known as a line plot. But you will hear the term dot plot most of the time. Line plot, we call it because it's on the number line, so we call it line plot. So to make a dot plot, you will place a dot on the number line. Where it corresponds. And another mark you can see it can be an X. So Mrs. Johnson took a class survey of a number of siblings her students have. The results are shown below. Present the data as a dot plot. So we have a list of students that respond how many siblings they have. So we're gonna put this data on the number line represented as the dot. So let's start. 2. It's 1. It's 0. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1. So if I have to draw a dot for myself, I'm gonna draw on the one that as the one right here, since I have one older brother. Okay, so student height in Mrs. Stevens' 6th grade class shown below. Represent the data as a dot plot. After that, you're gonna find median, range, and mode. Okay, so let's place the number of the student height on the number line. So 60, 63, 59, 60, 58, 62, 65, and another 58. All right, median is the middle number. Okay, hope you remember what is median. So it's a middle number. So if you put it on the dot plot, it will be very easy for you to find a middle number. Remember, I teach you the method, cross one out, one lowest number to one highest number until we find a middle number. So I cross out 2 already, lowest to highest. So we left with this dot right here, so that is 60. The range is the highest to the lowest. The highest number is 65. The lowest number is 58. So we'll subtract them. So the answer will be 7. The mode means most. So we have 2 numbers that appear twice. One is the 58 and one is the 60. So we have 2 modes. Guys, okay to have two mode. Next one. Test score for mathematics exam given last week are as follow. Represent the data as a dot plot. So we given the test scores and we're gonna put this number as the dot on the number line. Oh, by the way, it's not always have to be a dot. It can be a mark. So I will try mark. Okay. 60, 70, 85. Remember, it's 85, so it's in the between 80 and 90. Another 60, 70, 95 is in the middle, 90 and 100. 90, 80, 95, 100, 75, and 80, and an 80. Okay. All right. So we're gonna find a median. Remember, median mean middle. So we're gonna find a middle number. So we can cross out the lowest, the highest until you find a middle number. So the highest is 100, 60, 95, 60, 95, 70, 90, 70, 85, 75, 80, 80, and we're left with median is 80. The range is the difference between the lowest to the highest. So the highest is 100, the lowest is 60. So the range will be 40. Mode mean most. So at 80, we see it's repeated 3 times. So it's 80. Okay, so we just learned how to find median, range, and mode. I also want you to challenge yourself how to find a mean. Okay, for this 2 problem right here. Okay, dot plot, you can be able to find the average as well. Mean, average. Okay, if I need to find the average, I will add them up and divide to how many they are. Okay, so we see 58 repeated twice, so I would put 58 plus 58. 59 just one. 60, we have 2 of them. 62, 63, and 65. Some of them are repeated. Make sure you have to repeat it. And we're gonna divide to how many they are. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, so 8. You will add. Okay, so you're gonna divide it by 8 because there's 8 of them. So you can pause the video and add them up and divide it by 8 and compare the answer with me. So after I add them up, I got 485. And I divide it by 8. I got 60 and 625,000. So I would round it up to 61 for the student height. Okay, it's not that bad, right? Next one is to find a mean of the test score. Again, I would add them up and divide it to how many they are. So we have 260, 270, 175, 380, plus an 85, plus a 90, plus 295, and plus 100, and then you can divide it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, you can use a calculator to add the mean and divide it by 13. After I add them up, I have 1040, and I divide it by 13. I get 80 for my average, my mean.